How to change TikTok username before 30 days. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can change TikTok username before 30 days. First of all, launch open the TikTok app on your device and make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. On your profile, you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now from here, you want to select the option of settings and privacy. Then scroll all the way down. Here you will find the option of Help Center. Select that. Now at the bottom you have the option of Chat with us. Go ahead and tap that. Now you want to type in that you have accidentally changed your username on TikTok and need to change it urgently. Once you send this message, TikTok support will get in contact with you and they will help you change your username before 30 days. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.